Welcome to our captivating journey through the opulent world of Manhattan penthouses. In this video, we're thrilled to present an exclusive tour showcasing 9 luxurious and creatively designed living room interiors nestled within breathtaking penthouses. Each of these extraordinary living spaces boasts awe-inspiring views of the iconic New York City skyline. Prepare to be dazzled by the sheer elegance and creativity that define these living room designs. From the moment you step into these spaces, you'll be greeted by an atmosphere of opulence that radiates throughout every corner. The heart of each living room lies in its carefully chosen furniture pieces. With a focus on elegance and comfort, the furniture selections create a harmonious balance between luxury and functionality. Whether it's the plush sectional sofas, stylish coffee tables, or elegant armchairs, every piece contributes to the overall aesthetic. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts about this extraordinary living room's designs. Unique art pieces serve as striking focal points, adding a touch of personality and individuality to each living room. The incorporation of various textures, from sumptuous fabrics to sleek surfaces, creates a multi-dimensional visual experience that is both inviting and awe-inspiring. Each design embodies the essence of opulence, offering a glimpse into the lavish lifestyles of those who call these penthouses home.